right?
Yeah. Well, I said something to Maddie about it, and she's like, "Oh, well, I won't be able to see all my friends." I said, first off, who says you'll be able to talk to your friends when you're all far apart? I said, you don't even know how many are going back. Oh, they're all going back. Oh, yeah, I'm sure they're all going back. I'm sure they're all going to go back.
So Madeline is looking forward to the one day week starts, so she sees someone other than just her teacher. I did hear that there might be one other kid in her class as well.
Oh, hey.
But she goes from 8 to either maybe being by herself or just one other person. I was like, the Learning Center was a more social atmosphere than this.
So is she? So did she start to what, like 7:30 in the morning?
I drop her off at 7.
Okay.
And then the little guys get on the bus late. But now they're going to switch to 8:30, I think. So then I'm going to go straight to the office from there. So I should probably get to work a little earlier.
Okay.
Hours didn't
Oh, I can imagine.
Something other than the walls.
One day Chloe she was on her computer, but she forgot to click the button. I'm
Oh,
here.
Natalie does that all the time. I get the attendance call.
Yeah.
She wasn't in school. I'm like, oh, yes, she was.
Yeah, Maddie forgot to do it the one day, and apparently the band teacher was like, "You're down as absent, but you're here." She goes, "Wait, I'll fix it for you." And she just, I was like, "I don't know how to fix it. I keep forgetting to hit
So
it."
I have to call you every time I get the phone call. It's like been like 4 or 5 times. The first day it happened was the day that she was sent home.
Yeah.
Because of the one kid with
Yeah.
the runny nose. And she was just frazzled, and I think she forgot. When else she was just being lazy.
All right, here we go. Get it on. It's time to get here. We go down here about Cheryl. She starts complaining to me yelling. I'll be left. If she starts complaining I'm yelling to her, I'll come down and hang out.
Yesterday, like, she had to get heart surgery. And then
She thought she did, but she didn't.
Hi, baby.
Until that first day when they started calling.
How yelling when you realize.
She would log in, but she wouldn't touch it.
Oh, okay. Why would you want to do all the other stuff, but just not the easiest part, which is clicking on the button.
Do their plans from there. Originally, Brian and I were talking about that everyone could come down here, but people weren't comfortable. My one sister in particular wasn't comfortable being like in a hotel, and we have such a group, we can't put everybody up. And I thought that was very legitimate. So, long and short of it, I think we're going to, and they were saying we were drive them home, etc. So, and we hosted last year. Everyone came down for the weekend and all of that, so that was fun. I was just trying to make things, possibly easier for people if that ended it. But clear it out. So I think that this is what all of us bring different dishes, or whatever, or she was suggesting just go there.
hopefully things will get a little more relaxed.
Exactly. Go reserve that and then just do the major dinner. And then we can all have desserts and, whatever, hang out back with my mother. So, it's all, it's a whole new move up.
No, Logan, I didn't tell you. Logan was supposed to get his wisdom teeth taken out Thursday. I went and had the police report, and we got a call Wednesday evening that the patient said that oral surgeon tested positive, and that they have to quarantine.
Oh my goodness.
So Logan couldn't get his teeth. So now he's got to go get another COVID test and reschedule for another month. It's like,
okay. Yeah, it's like a domino effect. All of this research,
I know.
And things.
And I get it. You can't be too,
Yeah, it is what it is, and things, I think everyone's, trying to really learn how to live with this, and things until we're at a different point.
I think once we know more about it, we can,
plan a little bit easier and that sort of stuff. Yeah, and I think flexibility is clearly Go! Take that shot! Oh, that's it. Take one.
Who's there? Who's there?
Yeah, no, it's crazy situation. So.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to hear that with Logan.
If I'm in your way, just yell at me. trying.
Good job, Elena. A little further up, that's fine. Hey, hey, it's okay. We pound it right back in. Pound it in. Look at it, Lynn.
Okay.
Who wants it, White? Who wants it?
All right, Caroline.
There you go.
Okay. Get on it.
Come on, pressure, girls. There you go.
All right,
Good job. Good footwork.
Good.
Okay. Okay.
Who's there? Who's there? Come on,
All right,
Elena.
Elena. Straight through. Come on. That's it. Okay.
There you go,
All right,
Anna.
Anna. Okay.
Come on, Anna. Take it.
Nope.
Go. There you go.
Okay. Nope. What do you think? Okay, girls.
Like every year, I feel like I'm like,
Oh, I know. Well, it doesn't get any easier with that. Which I like to say to
I
go.
feel like I'm like, and I'm so bad at
Yeah,
I'm
no,
like
I know.
not good at that at all. And the way some of these young girls dress and stuff nowadays. There you go. Good job, Emma.
That's it.
Come
All right,
on.
Chloe. Stay on it. Good. Good. All right, Eddie. Stay on it. Come on.
There you go.
All
Back
right,
to
that's
you.
it, girls. Stay aggressive here. Come on. Okay.
Go, Anna, go.
Good job.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, when everything or if they get scored and then more. Yeah. Stay with it, Caroline. That's it. Good. Okay. Stay on it, Emma. Stay on her. All right, Caroline, bring it up. Bring it up. Oh. Sorry. That's it. Okay, okay, Caroline. That's it. Okay, Olivia. All right, Danielle.
You know, Addie's like, I went on Miss Tracy's YouTube channel, and I'm like, Miss Tracy has a YouTube channel?
Yeah, because I film lacrosse too.
Yeah, she's like, yeah, and I recorded my goal.
It's much easier.
Yeah,
It's just time consuming, that's all.
yeah. Well, my daughter really appreciates it, so thank
Absolutely.
you.
Absolutely.
Because, you know, I'm usually screaming and yelling, and I never get a picture. That's why she's always like, you need to ask Miss Tracy for my goal.
You had, we just finished setting it up, and Anna definitely was the first one to follow. Joe was like, she's a stalker. I thought it was funny. I was like, it could be Bob.
Olivia.
It's so big, isn't it?
There it goes.
Yeah. There you go.
That's it, girls. Okay. That's it. Come on. Go, Madeline.
Right.
They ref the little kids. I think they ref Matt's younger brother Steven. But which kid am I? He pays them because they ref like 3 or 4 times a day. But they're only repping the Northern Allegiance. Austin has license, so he has to rep the floor.
Go white!
Clear it. That's it. All right.
Man on!
Okay. That's it. Come on. Go. Okay. All right. Well done, Sarah. All right, good, Caroline. Follow it up, girls. That's it, Emma. All right, Danielle, stay on it. That's it. Okay. Go, Eddie, go! Ready? Okay, that's it. All right, Caroline. That's it, Caroline. Stay on it. Go, Eddie, go! Go. Take a shot. Oh! Okay. All right, good try, girls. Good try.
You know what?
That's sort of calling out that I'm calling it. I got it, this one,
When
you
they
know,
keep
whatever.
the ball too long,
Yeah, then
you
they
get
lose
it
it.
taken
Yeah,
away, right?
that's right. All right, Danielle.
Good job.
Good job, Dee. Okay.
Who's on it, White? Who's on it?
Okay. All right. All right. Okay, good. Good girl.
Control it, ladies. Let's control it. Emma, just ignore it. Play. Sound advice.
There you go. Good job.
Now you gotta get done.
All right, Danielle, stay on it. Stay on it, D. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Over there. All right, good job. Okay. Oh.
He's got to curl it up in the back. He's got to mess with it in the front.
There you go. Good.
Go, Addie, go!
Go, Addie. All right.
Go, Addie, go!
Go, here you go. Come on. Take a shot.
Who's there? Who's there?
Come on, don't want it.
All right, Olivia.
Like 5 girls on her.
Go, ladies.
The sun's starting to come out. A little bit.
Come on, Clark! Come on, Clark!
That's it, Danielle. Clear it out. Clear it out. Okay. That's it. All right, Caroline. Turn it around. Up you go. Hang on it. Good. Go, Natalie.
Left, big left.
Help her out, girls. Okay.
How's that? Because that wasn't that awful blue.
Let's punch it back in.
As soon as the ball was past the defender.
Oh, Danielle.
You got a hole in her leg? Didn't want to see her leg. Not naked stuff. Go through the leg.
You made a decision.
I just don't want to go through something like this.
No, I really feel like I don't see what the point is. We're going to go back one day. We're going to sit in that classroom and do the same thing we're doing at home. They got to get up early.
Yeah.
You know, they got to sit 6 feet apart. They got to wear a mask all day long.
Right.
Like I feel like I always feel like it should be all or nothing. You know what I mean?
Knock it out. That's.
You know, so I don't know. And, but neither one of them want to go. So I think I'm just going to opt out and have them stay home. I just don't. And I mean, Addie said it would be different if we were going and we could actually hang out with our friends.
Right.
But they're not. Even at lunch, they're going to have to sit 6 feet. They're not even going to be able to talk at lunch. So, you know, I get it. And Addie's like, Mom, I would want to go if we were having more freedom, but
Yeah.
I think we can.
Go White, let's go White!
Yeah. I'm
it's very
wondering
good.
if
That's what I need
to
too.
learn
For sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Both she and Joe, this woman.
Okay.
Both people they're safe.
Go, White, let's go, White!
What I'm going to do is break myself.
Yeah, and
Just say,
see.
first of all, are you going to be, from what she's telling me, she is going to be doing other things.
Well, from what I heard, all the teachers have to.
Yeah, that's what I thought, you know, and then I thought Nate Rock was just about to realize you have to get up earlier, whatever.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, get it out. No. Okay, Courtney, get it out. Kick it away. Kick it away. That's it. All right.
Where am I? It doesn't even say where I am. Yeah. What city are we in?
Go, White, let's go, White, big throw!
Yeah. I'm just wondering how this is going to work.
But if they start to imagine that they have a problem, they're going to start
And I understand that's why they're on
Right.
because of that. But
Right. I don't know. Is it worth it? Yeah, I mean, I know originally it wasn't. Right. Yeah. No, that was my
and this is the other thing.
take
Like,
initially, too.
what are we going to have to do? Are they going to have to take their laptops to school with them?
Yeah, that I have to, they have to
That's
put
the
out
other thing.
enough
Like,
information, I don't think, on
There's a 1% chance.
Logan doesn't have.
Yeah.
know.
Yeah. Yeah, Jen too. Yeah, she's got a separate,
So, like, how is that? Are they going
Right.
to supply him with a computer when he comes to school?
Yeah, I think we're working all of
So,
these pieces out,
I guess they're trying to get numbers.
Yeah, I think that's it,
What
to see
everybody's
what,
doing, and
I
then
think,
can we even do this?
right, I think
Which
it's
I get.
Yeah, it's a daunting task on their
Yeah.
part, I get that.
But I don't know. I kind of feel like.
Yeah, is it worth it? Yeah. Well, that's what Jen said to me, I'd rather, if they're gonna be making mistakes than I'd go with it. I'd rather wait till they have it worked out,